To be here talking to you about a topic that's, well, gathering a lot of attention, especially in the world of rehabilitation. The role of Pilates in, well, recovery and helping patients with injury. Now, as many of you know, I can do it from here, I think. As many of you know, the primary goal in the aftermath of an injury is obviously first alleviating pain, then recovery, which is getting back your full functionality and mobility, and of course, preventing future complications. Now, the beauty of Pilates is that with its exercise, it can help you do just that. Now, let me quickly share with you how my journey in Pilates started. So when I was all of 15, I was riding my horse and I had a really bad fall. And as luck would have it for today's speech, I tore my ACL. In that fall, I tore my ACL, had a MCL tear, and had to undergo an arthroscopy. And I was fine. I was back on my feet. I was doing everything in a couple of weeks. But for some reason, I could just never get back to playing squash at the high level that I was playing at earlier. I was playing the nationals, I was dancing, but I could just never do that the same way. That's when I got really lucky because my dad was hosting a Pilates course in Mumbai, and I ended up participating in that course. This was 1 year after having tried a lot of forms of rehab, let me tell you. And just 4 days into that, I was pain-free, absolutely pain-free. I was able to move better, and I actually got back on the squash court and played my nationals just 1 month after having started Pilates. That's when my coach also told me that my mobility, stability, strength was a lot better now than even before the injury. So that's when I really felt the magic of Pilates and knew that I wanted to spread this magic. Now, developed by Joseph Pilates for men at war, particularly for warriors who were injured, Pilates is a low-impact form of exercise. This means there's almost no impact on the joints. We always proudly say that when you do Pilates, you cannot get injured if you're doing it right. And in fact, it will help you recover from your injuries. And I personally am a strong advocate of that because I've had my share of injuries through my horse riding and my horse falls. So I know that for sure. Pilates also works on strengthening the muscles. It works on postural alignment, flexibility, and so patients who are recovering from their injuries get a lot more aware about their posture, their strength, their stability. Now, Pilates has a lot of benefits like increased strength, lean body mass, focus, coordination, and even stability, and many, many more. But for now, I'm going to focus on a couple of points that are more focused towards injuries. Core strength. We all know the major benefit of Pilates is core strength and stability. Especially having a strong core helps support the spine, and it also helps reduce the risk of future injuries. So it's great not only for, of course, the lower back and the spine, but also having that stability will help prevent other kind of injuries. Secondly, Pilates is exceptional for improving flexibility and balance. Pilates exercises are designed to gently strengthen and lengthen the body. So you work by gently stretching and toning the muscles, which significantly helps in restoring mobility without placing a lot of impact on the joints and without any impact on the injured muscle or the injured joint. You can get a full body Pilates routine. Moreover, Pilates fosters body awareness, which I think is a very crucial part to preventing injuries and also taking care of injuries that you currently have. The heightened awareness of their own bodies and movement patterns helps reduce the chance of future injuries and manage the current injuries. And I think that has been a game changer for me through my entire journey. Getting that body awareness about where your body is in plane and how to move, I think that's a big thing. Another remarkable thing about Pilates is its adaptability. So what I mean by this is Pilates can be done by anybody and everybody, young or old, injuries, no injuries, and is really great because it is extremely customized. So no matter how severe the injury, the routine can be customized. Now here I would like to say that, well, I had 2 injuries last year, unfortunately, again because of my horse riding. But I fell off the horse. I have a high-grade ACL tear. well, no, a full thickness ACL tear, a high-grade MCL, PCL. I had a tibia fracture. I tore part of my quadriceps, so it was a bad injury. And in 6 weeks, I was back to riding, back to dancing, back to playing squash and doing everything that I could do before, and it was only thanks to Pilates. I even worked out while I was in the wheelchair, because when I had the hairline fracture of the tibia, as you all would know, I wasn't allowed to put weight on the leg, but I could do exercises sitting in the wheelchair. I even did electric muscle stimulation and Pilates. I was able to keep my strength, my endurance, my stability, and was able to return to full fitness very quickly because I didn't end up losing muscle mass. So I'm sharing my example with you on this. I also recently had a collarbone fracture and had to undergo surgery. And again, well, I came back thanks to Pilates. And finally, I would like to end by saying we can't overlook the psychological benefit of Pilates. Right? Pilates is a mind and body form of exercise that focuses a lot on breath work and breathing. So Pilates helps boost a patient's confidence, it reduces anxiety, it fosters an entire sense of well-being. So that is the beauty of Pilates, because it makes you feel whole, it makes you feel complete and gives you the confidence to push through and do more. So incorporating Pilates as part of your rehabilitation program, I would say, is one of the key factors in today's day and age to take your patients from a level to another level, because it is a holistic form of exercise and can really benefit each and every one of them. So yeah, thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope to collaborate with each one of you and help your patients, well, get strong, be pain-free, and also help with their positivity. Thank you.